Welcome to another Holistic Living Practices video. Honey is a natural emollient, which means it can soften hair and skin. In hair masks, usage honey leaves your locks silky and smooth. Hair conditioners are designed to coat the outer surface of the hair shaft to provide immediate benefits like softness and detangling. By adding conditioner to a DIY hair mask, you combine its surface smoothing effect with the deeper penetrating treatment of mask's other ingredients, like oils and honey. Olive oil moisturizes hair by penetrating the hair shaft to provide deep hydration, making it softer and more manageable. Due to its fatty acids and antioxidants, it also helps preserve moisture, protects against damage, and improves shine by smoothing hair's outer cuticle. Coconut oil moisturizes hair by penetrating the hair shaft, provide deep hydration, and prevent moisture loss. Its lauric acid content reduces protein loss, strengthens hair, and its fatty acids nourish, smooths the frizz, and protects against damage. These all ingredients will help you moisturize your hair from inside out. After you apply this hair mask, put a plastic wrap or wrap your hair in cling film. Keep it on your hair for 30 to 40 minutes. After that, do any heat treatment for better results. If you have any heat treatment device at home, otherwise just using plastic wrap also is enough. Keep watching to see the final consistency. This should be the final consistency. I have also done oiling on my hair. If you are having too much hair frizz issue, doing this will be better. After that, apply this hair mask on your hair. These are my hair before applying the hair mask. Then cover your hair with plastic so that the moisture can penetrate easily into hair. To boost this process, even more, use the heat cap. But don't forget to cover your hair with a cloth first before putting a heat cap to avoid hair damage from direct plastic interaction. I'll give you another tip to use this heat cap effectively. You need to keep adjusting its temperature from low to high. Also keep it off for some time if it becomes too hot to avoid heat damage on hair, and the treatment can be effective instead of damaging.